which is small, anything which is large, you have to love what you do. And when you start loving it, you start enjoying it. And when you start enjoying it, you want to do more of it. When you want to do more of it, you're kind of going to have more efficiency and more productivity and stuff. You're more creative, and it makes you think even more, and then you get appreciated and noticed by people around. If it doesn't happen, that's all right, but the point is keep doing it and keep performing, because your task at work usually should be about improving yourself and adding more value and adding more creativity and more meaning and passion to your environments and stuff. So hope this helps. So it's a Thursday, so I'm taking it easy because of whatever reasons and stuff. The work doesn't stop wherever we are. We have to work and stuff. So there's some great news on stuff that's happening for citizens in India and stuff. So keep glued into the positive. Keep yourself glued into the positive news, and you're definitely going to feel better and great about the substance change. We have the new chief minister in our city, and that's historic. So I'm sure we can look forward to more historic work and more strategy and more policy change and stuff. So if you want to feel great about it, and if you want to feel inspired, and you want to kind of love your country and your people even more, and you want to be inspired by leadership, try and follow meaningful, impactful, positive information, which is going to definitely help you and stuff. So love and luck and take care and have a blast. And you might want to follow the correct pages of the leaders, which is from our country and stuff. And that's going to give you assurance that you're in safe hands and stuff. Because when I take a look around and I talk to regular people, I see a lot of youth still being misled or kind of conditioned by their own peers or people in colleges and stuff about various leaders and policies and work and stuff like that. So if you follow the right handles, you will know that we are in safe hands, and we definitely have a lot of positive and concrete stuff to look forward to and stuff. So I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm on jkapani@gmail.com, jashinkapani.im@gmail.com, and jashinkapanioffice@gmail.com. So love and luck and take care. Try and stay positive. Try and stay clutter free. Try and follow positive news, because when you do all of that, your acumen and your outlook also becomes more positive, and then very little information which is negative can get you down and stuff. Okay, so follow stuff which gives you joy. So this is one of the joyful news today, which is on social media and on TV. So tune in whenever you can, and stay upbeat and stay creative. Love and luck and have fun. Cheers. Bye bye. Enjoy.